this construction in here. There's only one real good place to turn around. And I just saw a semi head down the parking lane. This ain't gonna end well. Oh yeah. Yeah, check him out. He's gonna get fucking stuck in there. Oh, he's not gonna be able to make that turn. Let's see how this turns out. There's a JB Hunt trailer parked right at the exit where he needs to get a wide turn. Now we've gotten all the cars cleared away from this entry. Oh my god, yeah, this is not gonna end well for this guy. Yeah, he's stuck. Yeah, he's stuck right there. Let's watch this stupid shit. He's gonna crash a car. So instead of going around to this road to come around this side to go to the office, you see that JB Hunt trailer right there? I don't know how the fuck he's gonna get through there. Yeah, and he's gonna ask me fucking more questions about how to fucking get through there. I'm like, dude, I wouldn't have gone that way. Get out to the road and fucking bring that shit in there. Yeah, now you're fucking stuck, dude. How is it that so many people, foreigners, are driving and can barely speak English? How do you pass your test on that?